Thank you for the roses. Hey, y'all. Hey, everybody. I'm trying to turn up today, y'all. What we on? What we on? What y'all on? We don't want to be on this page. Thank y'all. I'm trying to get one. It's not Club Living Room no more. It's always chilling with Shay, because all the extra shit not even needed. They be messing up. They be messing up the vibe at KLR. Nobody got time for that. Just chill, that's all. All that extra getting mad and shit, trolling and shit, that shit for the lames. I want some Hennessy. Because y'all do too much. When people learn how to understand my boundaries, then I open it back up. Other than that, no. Once people stop coming over here trying to bully some shit, when people stop coming over here trying to bully some shit, then I open the other page back up. Deuces. Use eyeshadow. Thank you. Hey. Damn, I hate these long ass little things, videos.
If you keep making that face, it's gonna.
No, I don't do that.
Trying to get my own card?
Yeah, I got blush on.
Say, hey, Grandpa was in the military. He shared membership with your mom so she could share with you. Easy.
Thank you.
Check if you're eligible.
Yeah, they be all long. Why they all so long? I don't want to listen to that. It's just clear lip gloss and brown liner. Nope, I use YouTube. Thank God for the guests. Thank you. I don't watch baddies. Dude, I was trying to take a nap. I couldn't even take a nap. Hey. Hey. Thank you. What about I fix you like this? How about that? How about that? Thank you. Bye-bye. Fuck on my page. Trying to be funny. I'm trying to get that started right now. Well, bye. Just do this. Bye bye. Fuck up my page. Thank you. Next. Here y'all go with the scare shit. Next. You scared. Bye. Here we go. Ain't nobody punching shit. Get the fuck on my page with that shit. Right, that's what I'm saying. Like, what am I supposed to be scared of? Damn. Slamming doors and shit. I must have been crazy, baby. Exactly. This is why exactly why I didn't want to come over here. These people don't know how to act. And I know they was lurking on the other page too, so that's ridiculous. That's ridiculous that y'all grown acting like this too. Trying to be some grown bullies. Like people not out here offering themselves because y'all on the internet talking about this jibber jabber, y'all this rah-rah shit like y'all really about that. That shit be getting to people. Y'all need to stop doing that shit before it be one of y'all people on the internet getting bullied and they can't take it. That cyberbullying shit can get y'all in jail. So y'all know, certain states don't play that shit. Especially cyberbullying. Especially if they know who you are. They don't play that shit. Thank y'all for the gifts. Anyways, I'm trying to turn up, y'all. You want to help me get to 50? Got a couple $1,000 towards it. Mm-hmm. 442 people. Only people. The people. Most of y'all only here because y'all want to see me go off. I'm not gonna do that. Y'all not paying, so I'm not doing shit. Keep the comments off, cause no. Y'all only here for something negative. If you here for negative shit, get the fuck on.
Like paying cash for expenses, health insurance didn't cover.
Get help with expenses health insurance doesn't cover. Find an agent, get a quote.
Y'all ain't gonna help me get another ring light. Y'all ain't gonna help me get another phone. So I advise y'all to leave me alone.
Just came in. A guy fills a fountain with blood in the most murderous building in New York. They say it's a...
So much is in the way, ain't no one above the two of us. And I know you put that on for me. I know you put that on for me. In a way, I can't stay away.
I know you put that on for me. I know you put that on for me. They reporting the lie because they some lame. They reporting the lie because... Thank you. Hey. I don't know, hey. Nowhere. I don't feel like getting up. The back look like the back. What type of question is that? What your back look like? It's not a shirt. It's a dress. I'm not going nowhere. Not being rude. You trying to be rude, so you can go. You can get the fuck off my page. It's not morning time, it's afternoon. But hi. Hey, Cora. Girl, it's 2:18. Ooh, no, I was not trying to invite nobody over here. I was not trying to put you on the live, girl. Okay. I'm not adding nobody. I'm ready to troll, huh? Hey. Hey, again. I don't see what's even funny, so you gotta go. I don't know what the joke is. No, even line dances. Thank you. Nope. Still trying to. Use eyeshadow on my eyebrows. Hi, hey. Sharing the live and not talking. Red flag. Fuck up my page. Hey.
Watermelon. No slicing or dicing required. Okay. It's nothing new.
Yeah, I'm alright. I'm fine.
That stars.
Hey. I'm nowhere near it. I know my lace showing, but you showing your ass in the comments, so I'm finna block you. How about that? You trying to be funny? Here you go. Fuck up my page. You don't even tell me shit. Yeah, I use Evergreen primer.
I'm looking for somebody to talk to. Love me. Someone who can hold me. Is that you?
Here we go. Get the fuck off my page. What the fuck is you even here for? Bye. No, I don't want to show my dress. I don't feel like doing all that. Nothing wrong with showing it. I just don't want to. I'm still a little bit tired. I ain't gonna lie. I am being nice. What are you talking about? I said I don't want to show my dress. The hell? How is me telling y'all I don't want to show my dress being mean? That's not being mean. That's telling y'all I don't want to show it. Thank you. Yes, it's a long sleeve. That is not mean. That is not mean. Y'all, here y'all go, trying to pick and find a reason. I don't know where this dress came from. Here we go. Ain't nothing funny. Ain't nothing funny, you bald-headed tramp. Fuck up my page. So, you know what? I'm not even mad. Y'all just making it seem like I'm mad. I'm not. Thank you for the gifts. If look here, Bree. Look here, Bree. If I can't speak my mind, y'all can't. Simple. If y'all don't want me on here telling my opinions, y'all can get in here and have y'all opinions. Simple. Fuck all that shit. Fuck what you talking about. Fuck on my page with that shit. No, I ain't been to no concerts yet. I'm from Milwaukee. Open my heart, give it to you. I'm in love with you. Baby, I'll do. I don't know. It's been a long time since I've been to a concert. Sorry, I don't feel like answering that question. Was I affected by the flood? Just know I'm good. I don't want to talk about my end because people be coming on here. People be coming on here doing too much. People on here doing too much make it seem like I'm lying. So I can't answer any questions about the flood. Don't like it? Tell your friends to stop going live about me and doing weird shit. So, and I know y'all be up on them troll lives. So, ain't nobody scared, boo. There ain't shit to be scared of. Y'all bitches are weird, my nigga. Going live talking about some fraud, bitch. Y'all some fraud assholes. Y'all some fraud assholes. The fuck? Y'all ain't shit to be scared of, my nigga. Y'all got my address and still ain't pulled up yet, bitch. How you got my address and you still ain't pulled up here?
Or get 0% APR plus 2,600 total value on this year.
Right. Like I thought. I'm gonna get off my page right along with them, cause ain't nobody angry. Don't nobody run me, boo. This my page. This my page. Don't nobody run me but God. And he told me to keep running my mouth to y'all, so I'm gonna do that. Cause they be in the other cities 4,000 miles away, lame as fuck, just drive passing. Yeah, your knees. He did say that. He said, lay your rules down and shit on these bum assholes. That's the fuck he said. Said, lay your shit down. Put your fucking foot down on these hoes and shit on them. Cause that's what I've been doing. Are you hearing yourself, bitch? Is you hearing yourself type? Get the fuck off my page, cause you not hearing shit because you just typing and don't know what the fuck you talk about. And whoever said I'm trying to turn up, hell yeah, I'm trying to turn up. All right, here we go. Bye. Here y'all go thinking y'all know me. Y'all don't know shit about me. Don't know shit about me. Nobody's even mad, but you can go. Bye. Hey, nobody even mad. Get the fuck off my page. Next. Brown lip liner and clear gloss. I know you know. I don't know which one you talking about. And y'all slow talking about y'all reported. Y'all slow. That's another thing. That's another thing I want to address too. Y'all talking about y'all called the food stamp place for fraud. Y'all can't do that. Because for one, y'all don't have my social security number and what else? What and all that other shit. So y'all lying. Y'all lying. Get the fuck on my page. Fuck off my page. That weird shit. You want me to crash out? You gotta pay. If you ain't gonna pay, shut the fuck up. All that tough ass, fake ass, tough ass shit. Thank you. Let me restart this live over again. Because they steady reporting because they some hated assholes. Get your bitch ass off my page. Because I know you weird bitches up me. The fuck? How you on my page playing with me, but you tell me to go play with my mama? No, you need to go play with your mama yourself. Your daddy something. Somebody else besides being in the comments. Say love is blind. Hey. Show away. Lace you up. Lace you up. Tell me who gon' whoop my ass? Nobody in the comments or trolling me. Cause y'all some scary bitches. All you do is talk shit 4,000 miles away. Cause you a weird bitch. You a scary bitch. You like to go live and lurk on my page cause you a weird ass bitch. Residuals. Tequila again, cause I got some more ginger ales on the way. Yeah, cause ooh, hey, I'm alright. Thank you for asking. Get the fuck up, girl. I'm trying to get it. Not the black ginger ale. Do you be making? Nope. I wish I did. I need a blender. I need a blender, a coffee maker, and a crock pot, and an air fryer. Need all that. I want a coffee maker because I be waking up early for no reason sometimes. Move. That would be nice. Move. This the regular one. Move. Move. I'm gonna get a cute bar from my house. Ooh. Yeah, that sounds cute. I always wanted one. So I can get some stools. Try what next time? Oh, the blackberry ginger ale, if I find it. Yeah, hotter than the tree. Making these. Makes pussy moist. Niggas have it. Christmas special. Put it in my nose. You was not it. Down, up, down. Sam's Club, Costco. I gotta have a Sam's Club thing to get in the Sam's Club, right? Sam's Club far. I need a damn big ass car to go to that store. Thank you. I ain't been to Sam's Club since high school. Thank you. Hey. I know it's worth it. That's why I said I ain't been there since high school. That stuff be big as hell up in there. Big. I need that. I need that. What they say? I need that. I need that. Trying to get a turn up bottle, bro. Before I start crashing out on this motherfucker, I don't need to crash out. Y'all know how I get y'all know how I get. Y'all know how I get. I ain't trying to have that going on. No, I don't. I do not drink all day, every day. I wasn't even drinking while I was offline. What are you talking about? And all you do is meat ride and be. No, here y'all go. Don't say here I go. Here y'all go. Y'all coming over here fucking with me. Y'all think y'all know me because y'all see me on live a lot. No, y'all don't know me at all, my nigga. Don't know nothing about me, my nigga. You the only way you know me is from the other side of the motherfucking phone. Like I've been chilling. Like, come on now, leave me the fuck alone, bro. Anyway, Don.com. No, I'm aggressive because y'all been aggressive to me. Make it make sense. Y'all been aggressive to me. Y'all been aggressive to me. I am minding my motherfucking business. Y'all coming on my page fucking with me. Y'all think fucking with me is funny. It's not funny. It's not funny at all. Y'all think that shit funny. It's not funny at all. Cause I really like to fight in real life. I don't punch phones. I punch bitches. Like, stop fucking playing with me. Bitches. Y'all ain't nothing to be scared of, my nigga. Y'all ain't shit to be scared of. Y'all love saying that scare shit. But ain't nobody pulled up to my address that y'all supposedly putting all over here, though. I'm scary, but yet y'all putting my address everywhere, but y'all ain't came here yet, though. Make it make sense. Here y'all go. This why I don't like addressing shit, because every time I address some shit, y'all think y'all clocking me. Y'all not clocking shit, my nigga. Y'all can stay y'all ass right there on the motherfucking other side, being a weird ass bitch that you is, being a monitoring spirit that you is. It seems like y'all wait till I clock somebody to try to troll me. I'm not getting angry today, unless y'all gonna pay me. If you ain't gonna pay me, then you need to get your bitch ass the fuck out my motherfucking live. Every single one of you ugly assholes and niggas can get the fuck out my live. Cause I was doing just fine until y'all came over here trying to clock some shit. If you wanna clock me, y'all got my address. It's plastered all over this motherfucker. If you ain't gonna do that, stay your ass on the other side of the phone. Stay your ass on the other side of the phone. Stay your ass on the other side of the phone. How's you been a weird ass bitch? Why do you watch me if you don't like me? I'm convinced you want to eat my coochie too. Cause you's the #1 hater right now. You the one sending these lame ass motherfuckers over here. I told y'all to keep that lame ass shit over there. Y'all can talk fuck off my page with that shit. Get the fuck off of here. This is not it. I'm not finna crash out. Not crashing out for no lame ass bitch who just sit online to make herself feel better talking about me. Who won't show her face. All she do is show her ugly ass, old ass nails. Dry ass fingers and shit. Bitch ain't never showed her face the whole time she been talking about me. But you talking all this tough ass rah-rah shit. Anyways, Anyways, like I was saying, I'm trying to get a bottle, bro. Trying to turn up. Trying to turn up, bro. Fuck all this extra ass shit, bro. Fuck all this extra ass shit going back and forth with slow ass motherfuckers.